Our employees are at the heart of our business, and we take care of them so they can take care of our customers. This time of year is slow, and we want to keep our technicians busy so they can continue to support their families. So to spark business, now through May 31st, we're giving away a free furnace when you purchase an air conditioner. That's right, buy an air conditioner and get a furnace free. Finance your system with 0 down and 0% interest for 60 months. Contact Lancaster Plumbing and Heating to take advantage of this unbeatable offer.